Hi, I'd like you to meet Joey. ID number A4515672. He is a male, white and tan Cavalier King Charles Spaniel mix, and came into the shelter as a stray from the Carson area, weighing 23 pounds. He's 1 year, 1 month old, came to the shelter and was in very curly hair, very soft, really cute. And what else can you tell us about him, Jeannie?
When he came to the shelter, he was very overwhelmed and dirty, so we had a spa day, and he just totally got over the trauma. And then the next time, any time I come back after that, we get a total waggy. And if I was in the next cage, he was like jumping up and down like a little pogo boy just to say hi. So he really can, once he knows you're going to not hurt him and he trusts you, then he's a happy-go-lucky running around boy.
So he makes friends easy, and he has the cutest little brown ears. He is so cute looking. I love him, and I think he would be great for apartment living or a house with a yard, great with kids, and loves people. So please, if you have room for Joey, please come to the Carson Animal Care Center.